Everybody who has ever bought cryptocurrencies has completed a fairly straightforward cryptocurrency exchange. But the market for cryptocurrencies is much larger than that. We'll discuss how to execute your first crypto trade in this guide, as well as some of the more complicated details. Almost everyone conducts a fiat to crypto trade as their first transaction in the industry. Depending on their location and legal framework, exchanges sell Bitcoin for a range of fiat currencies. Make sure to investigate the most reliable exchanges in your area. Some considerations to make include the reputation of the exchange, its cost structure, and its security. Basically, be certain that you are informed of any fees the exchange may deduct from your transactions and how they plan to protect your money. Since most jurisdictions require exchanges to verify your identity and conduct certain know your customer and anti-money laundering checks, we strongly advise working with ones that offer two-factor authentication because you don't want your password to be the only thing preventing you from losing money. Be aware that you may need to send the exchange proof that demonstrates your identity once you're on their platform. Congrats on making your first trade. The exchange will have created a wallet for you behind the scenes where your money is safe and secure. It is now up to you to decide if you want to maintain putting your trust in the exchange or move your money somewhere else. Go into detail about all the various wallet types here because we already have a great guide for that, but the first thing you should be aware of is the distinction between a hot wallet and a cold storage wallet. Once you are aware of this distinction, a hot wallet is similar to the wallet you often carry around with you. While it isn't especially secure, it is practical and provides quick access to your money. While a cold storage wallet is more like a savings account because the money isn't always with you, it isn't feasible to utilize on a daily basis. A hot wallet is, for instance, your cryptocurrency exchange. It is a software wallet that is constantly online and password protected, making it open to assault yet relatively simple to access your assets. With the exception of when you plug it in to access it, the cold storage wallet would resemble a piece of hardware that is distinct from your computer and is constantly offline, making it completely safe from hackers. Again, we go into much more detail about various wallet kinds in our other videos, but you should first consider if you plan to use your cryptocurrency frequently or keep it locked up. The ideal option for you is to select a wallet that will provide you access to both a public key and a private key. When you withdraw money from an exchange and they ask for an address, it's your public key that is needed. You are free to share and use it. This is the address you will always use to receive money. To prevent your funds from being stolen and used without your consent, your private key should never, ever be shared. If your private key is leaked or discovered, your funds will be lost and you won't be able to recover them back. Once you've saved your crypto in the proper location, it's advisable you are prepared to participate in crypto trades, which operate very similarly to fiat crypto trades but within blockchain ecosystems, so you would keep whatever currency you paid for your fiat. There are various exchanges that provide these services, many of which are centralized, but some of which do not use the same notions as described. For example, let's imagine you have purchased Bitcoin and wish to exchange it for another currency, such as Ether. Most important, make sure you look into the exchange's history and security to ensure that you're comfortable with who you're dealing with. You can buy and trade for whatever coin you want with the help of these two trading types, some research into trusted service providers, and some practice. We'll go into more technical specifics in our next guide, including how to read charts and what phrases you should get familiar with.